Okay, hi students. Some important reactions. So, hydroboration, hydroboration, oxidation, hydroboration, oxidation. Okay. So number one, that. So if you take unsymmetric alkene, with the reaction of diborane B2H6 and second step hydrogen peroxide in the presence of alkaline medium. Okay, now the product formation is the anti-Markovnikov. Okay, now anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, now this reaction follows anti-Markovnikov's you know syn addition. So just to the reagent used to just addition of water. This is addition of water according to anti-Markovnikov rule. OH will be attacked from this side, H plus will be attacked from this side. So this total reagent, the final product to addition of water according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Syn addition. Syn addition means both positive negative part of the reagent should be attacked from the same side. Okay na? So if you see the mechanism for this reaction, if you see mechanism, so always. So in the B2H6 is nothing but okay now B2H6 we can write in the form of BH3. Okay na, that is equal to BH3. So BH3 lo, so from BH3 BH2 and H attack one side, BH2 attack from one side. Okay na, this is 2 moles of BH3, that is only this. Okay na, B2H6 equal to BH3 2. So it is attacked. Now CH3, CH2, single bond, CH2 and BH2. This is again react with okay na, again react with CH3, CH double bond, CH2, another alkene. This is the first mole of alkene, this is the second mole. Okay na. Now the product is CH3, CH2, CH. Always the BH2 will be attack ending less hindered side. BH2 will be attack on the pi bonded carbon. This side methyl high hindered, so this side 2 hydrogens less hindered. So BH2 attack at a less hindered side. So in this case also BH2 again attack at a less hindered at this carbon, right? So this BH2 attack at a less hindered side. In this H attack more hindered side. So again these parts 2 will become. So BH, these are 2 particles. Again third mole of alkene. This is a third mole of alkene. Again in this B will be attack at ending and H attack middle. So we will get 3 parts. CH3, CH2, CH2. Okay. Taken 3 times with boron. Okay na? And the final step H2O2 OH minus. Exactly the boron position displaced by the OH. So we will get to 3 molecules of alcohol. Boron position lo alcohol OH group. So 1 propanol vastundi plus H3BO3 boric acid byproduct. So this is the mechanism. For the hydroboration and oxidation, right? So next some more examples for this. So if I take this is the molecule. Okay, this is the molecule. To this I use B2H6, the first step. So what happen here? B will be attacked from the end, a less hindered side. H will be attacked at a more hindered side. Okay na? BH2 H. So like this 3 times it will be attacked. So the final product, if you see, after attacking of BH2, here BH2, okay na? Here H అంటే here BH2 H2 and same position లో అటాక్ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా, సేమ్ పొజిషన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ above the plane, methyl group is above the plane. Okay, next it will be attacked 3 times and 2 moles of this again attack. 3 moles of this, remaining 2 moles will be attacked, remaining 2 moles attack, and the product is okay H, this is the B, so this is 3 moles. Next to this, if you use H2O2 in the presence of OH minus, here exactly OH, okay na, from this, so from H2O2, okay na, OH will be attacked at exactly boron position will be displaced. It is also attacked from back side. Okay, so now we will get the product of 3 moles. Here above thick line methyl group and bottom line hydrogen, and here bottom line OH is formed and H3BO3 is the byproduct. Okay na, these are 3 moles are formed. So indirectly, okay na, or alternative, if I take this same product, same substrate, if I use B2H6 in the second step H2O2 OH minus, this total reagent finally addition of water according to anti-Markovnikov rule. అంటే less hindered side OH minus will be attacked from less hindered side, H plus will be attacked more hindered side. This side it will be less hindered side. Less hindered side mean the carbon which is having less number of carbons లేదా more number of hydrogens. So this carbon having both side carbons, this carbon having this side carbon, another hydrogen, so less hindered side it will be attacked. Now directly you can take the product. Okay na, here methyl is above, hydrogen is bottom attack, hydrogen, here OH also bottom attack. Okay na, so this is the product. So both are same products. Alternatively, simply hydroboration oxidation mean just addition of water according to anti-Markovnikov rule.